let's customize the packaging tape mock-up from my latest collection. This one's actually very fun and simple, and the cool part of it, again, is that it's movable. So these little tape strips, you can kind of adjust how you want. You can probably duplicate them if you're comfortable with that, you name it. So what we have here is the tape design here. So I will grab my design, double click on that smart object. So as you can see, once you double click, it'll open up a new window. I'm going to pop that in there. It's the color that I already want, so I don't really need to make any changes to it. Hit save. And you'll see if you zoom in, it already adds that kind of like texture effect to it, which you can see underneath each of these different labels. So if you want to change, you can. However, I'm pretty happy with it and it's good to go. So now for the actual tape colors, I made it an option to change up the color of each design, of each tape. So what you would have to do is just open up that folder here and you'll see color. So I'm gonna grab my colors. And then I'm gonna close all these, and then all you have to do is change up the background. So I do have a couple textures. Sounds a little bit lighter here, darker. That is how you customize and edit the tape design.